So we're gonna first start off by using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I'm gonna get just a little bit of this on my finger and put this everywhere. Now I'm gonna use this Revlon Photo Finish BB cream and put that just on the tip of the beauty blender. I'm gonna dot this all over my face. This is your summer. I'm just gonna blend this in till it's all nice and smooth. So I'm now going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin just right under her eyes, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Illuminator Color Corrector on her forehead, chin, and everywhere else pretty much. Just going right under the eyes and on the eyelids as a primer for the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to blend this out into the foundation that's already there. So I'm now going in with the Rimmel Match Perfection setting powder, where I just put all the concealer. So I'm using a powder puff to just pack that under eyeballs.
On the forehead and chin.
While the powder is setting the foundation and concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Studio Makeup brow pencil and just make little soft strokes at the front, just all through the brow to make it seem more full.
And I will tail at the end.
I'm now going to use the spoolie to comb through that to make sure the product is all even and shape it the way we want it. And so now I'm going to do that on the exact same other one. So now I'm just using this fluffy brush to wipe the bake away. So now using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and this Morphe brush and do this right from her like ear and hairline and aiming for the end of her lips.
I'm also putting this on the jawline here. On the very top of the forehead.
Now using the Pop Wow powder from Pop Beauty blush and using this Wet n Wild blush brush. I'm putting just on the apples of her cheeks. Smile. I'm now using the Fenty Beauty Confetti highlighter stick and on the temples of her cheeks. And I'm just like, almost like smudging this on, because it's really like thick almost. And I'm going to use my finger to just blend it out.
Same thing on the other side.
I'm now going to use the Urban Decay Afterglow highlighting palette and going in with the pinker shade Peroxide right over top of the confetti.
Also going to put this on the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose.
And again, the same thing on the other side. I'm now going to use the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to show you how to complete one eye, and then we're going to do the other one off camera. So I'm first going to go in with these two pink shades, kind of right in the middle, and put those all over the crease from the front to the back. I'm now going to use this darker purple shade and put that right in the crease to make it really dark. Just apply a piece of duct tape, placed it on there lightly, so I placed the piece of duct tape to catch fallout, and I brought the pink to the edge of the duct tape to create more of like a wing look to elongate the eye. So I'm using the Urban Decay concealer again, and I'm going with this concealer brush to cut out half of the crease. Actually going to use the concealer again and cut the full crease instead of halfway through.
I'm just blending out by like tapping motions.
Still using the same Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to go in with this light matte blue shade and pack all over the full crease so we can pack the shimmery same blue right above it over top. Now using a smaller Morphe brush and going in with the same matte blue to get it closer to the crease line. So I'm actually going to decide to leave that concealer line right above the blue. So I'm just bringing it right up until it barely leaves like a little bit of space before the pink. And now you're going to use my finger to get a more concentrated, just more concentrated color from the shimmery blue. I'm going to pack this right over the matte blue. I'm now going to lightly peel off the tape that was holding. Oh my god, look. I'm going to go in with this shimmery purple shade mixed with the shimmery pink shade and put that on the lower lash line, only bringing it halfway in.
That's so good. Oh my god.
I'm now going to use this white liner crayon and use it from the inner corner and bring it into that shimmery purple on the bottom. I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D holographic palette and going in with Blue Sapphire. I'm going to place this right on the inner corner. I'm now going to let Ella put on the Sephora brand blue mascara on the bottom and top lashes. So here's one eye complete. We're going to do the other side off camera and we'll be right back with the final look. So this is now both eyes complete with both mascara and the highlighter on. So now for the final touches, we're going to now contour with blush, the same blush we used before, to go along with like the pink cotton candy kind of vibe.
So just going to take a little and put it almost exactly where we put the contour in the first place. We kind of want it not super intense, so just brush it on lightly and blend it really well.
I'm now going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I have a little white body paint on my hand, and now I'm going to do 3 little dots right along with the cut that we made with the tape. Now I'm gonna do it on the exact same thing on the other side. So now I'm gonna finish the look with this Ulta brand setting spray. Okay, so this is the very final look. We're calling it like a cotton candy kind of vibe. We have the pink, all the blue, and the little dots with the blue highlighter to match all of it. So here it is.